Alright, so here we are on Gary's 46. Yeah, it's also used for Christmas decorations. Swapping out the fuel pump. This baby was leaking the other day, and boy was she leaking. Holy moly. So, there was an adapter fitting here that went 8th pipe to flare, which is good because we need it for the other pump. This side, it's flare, but it's got a different kind of adapter that's a little bit of a trouble getting out. So Gary went down to go get the actual 8th pipe to flare, because the new pump actually looks like a stock pump and not junk driving. See? So I'm gonna work on swapping this. Gary went down to go get his fitting, and away we pumps out. Crimp style, AC Delco. Ooh, we're dumping gas. With the RCB. New pumps mounted up. Easy. Gotta put our adapter fittings in, and then we can try it. Alright, so we got the pump in, got our fittings in. I was getting everything tightened up, and I'm like, hey Gary, what's that dripping? And Gary goes, oh, it's leaking out the tank now. So, factory crimpy to flare. This goes into the tank. There's a petcock, thank God. So pull that out. But yeah, that's older than dirt. So that's going to go over to Felipe at the hose man, have him make us up one, and we'll be in business.